Hey Hub Heroes, this is Jorge Fuentes from the Sidekick Strategies team, and today we're going to take a look at how to add conditional logic to a specific field in HubSpot in order to ask second smart questions based on responses from form submitters. Check it out. In HubSpot, we're going to go on the left-hand side to where we have the marketing icon right here, and we're going to go into forms. Now I'm going to click on create a new form on the top right hand corner. I'm going to click on this orange button right here, create a form, and I'm going to choose the new form editor. So that's already chosen by default, and I'm going to click next. Now here I'm going to choose a template. At the moment I'm just going to choose a blank template, so I'm going to choose the start from blank template, choose template, and then here's where we're going to start building that forms with that particular conditional logic. So I'm actually just going to rename my form. I'm going to call it yes or no form. Maybe I'll just capitalize the Y in the yes, and then let's actually start building it. So in this case, yes, first name, last name, email will do for the first part. To make another part for another section for my form, or kind of like a next page, I'm going to add a step here. And then here's where I'm going to add in a couple of my properties. So the property I want to add is called "Are you ready to start?" So I'm going to click on that one. I'm going to click on yes overwrite. And then here in this particular property now, which is in the step 2, I'm going to apply some logic. And the logic will be that if somebody says no, I want the form to ask a follow-up question. So I'm actually going to click on logic here, and I'm going to select add logic. And whenever they say, "Are you ready to start?" and whenever this one is equal to any of no, I want it, and I'm just going to delete this other group that got created. If it says no, I'm going to go down to the then section and then show fields, and here's where I'm going to select a property called why not. So I'm going to click on the why not property and save and activate, right? And then that's pretty much all the logic I want to add to my form. Now I'm going to click out of here, and I will say that this is now complete. So I'm going to review and update the form. In review and update, I will make sure to add my privacy data privacy field. So I'm actually going to add it as a default. I'm going to select the marketing information is going to be the subscription. And then I'm going to now exit out of here and review and update and click update. So now my form has been created, but in order for us to verify that we actually have created that logic, we can go to the copy share link option right here, and then click on preview link in a new tab. So I'm going to do that right now, and you will see, right, if I start filling in my information and go to the next section, here's where it says, "Are you ready to start?" and I'm going to select no, and you will see my conditional logic field pop up, and that'll be pretty much it. And that's pretty much it. So now you know how to add conditional logic to fields within a specific HubSpot form by leveraging the new forms editor. Remember, education is great, but the execution is where it's at. So go out there and be the hub hero that your organization needs today.